Welcome back, Tigers! This is our next Salesforce security updates video where we're going to walk through how to set up phishing-resistant MFA using Windows Hello for system admins and other privileged users. Salesforce will soon begin enforcing these stronger MFA authentication methods, so it's important to get ahead of the changes and prepare your organization now. In this video, you will learn how to enable Windows Hello authentication into Salesforce, what configuration steps administrators need to complete, and what the end user registration experience will look like for your privileged users. Now let's jump in and take a look at how to set up Windows Hello as a built-in authentication for your Salesforce. All right, here we are in Salesforce, and our first step is to go into Setup, and we're going to go to Identity Verification. And we need to enable this setting, let users verify their identity with a built-in authenticator such as Touch ID or Windows Hello. Then you also need to enable allow passwordless login with passkeys. We enabled this on a previous video where we set up YubiKeys as one of our authentication methods. Now we also want to enable show all verification method registration options instead of starting with built-in authenticators. So I can show you what that looks like because we're going to have a YubiKey MFA method and a Windows Hello method. So I'll show you what happens when the login process allows a user to choose between the two. So we're going to click Save down here. Then our next step is we need to set up Windows Hello on our Windows device. Now, I have no idea how this works if you're on a company device. I only know how this works on my own personal computer. So you'll have to reach out to your IT to see how that is all handled. I'm going to go ahead and go to my settings in Windows. And then I'm going to go to Accounts and then Sign In Options. And then you have three different options to set up face, fingerprint, or PIN. I'm going to do the PIN, and I'm going to do this off camera. It's just super simple. You're just going to enter a PIN. Now, once the user has their Windows Face ID or fingerprint or PIN set up, they're going to go to their avatar and go into Settings. And then we'll go to Advanced User Details. And then we're going to go to Built-in Authenticators. Right down here, scroll down on the page, and then you're going to click Add here. Now it's asking me to verify with my YubiKey because that's my authentication method that I connected in a previous video. Now, Salesforce does have a priority that it uses when you have multiple authentication methods connected to your account. So with this particular account, I have a security key and I have a Salesforce authenticator. So it is using my YubiKey first over my Salesforce authenticator. And now when I connect Windows Hello, it is going to choose that authentication method over the other two. So I'm going to come back here. I'm going to verify with my YubiKey. And now it's asking me to register a built-in authenticator. So this is where I'm going to register my Windows Hello. And then I'm going to enter the PIN that I set up for Windows Hello. And then I'm going to give it a name. So I was in the sandbox yesterday testing all this out, and this naming it did not come up like this. So if you have a different experience in the sandbox, just know that I did too. But it's nice that they ask you to change the name here. Okay, so then I'll take you right to this screen, and then you'll be able to see Windows Hello is set up underneath your built-in authenticators. So we'll close that out. Now I want to log out and log back in. So here it's showing me the login, and then it's asking me to use my Windows Hello. It's supposed to ask me which method I want to use or give me a link down here to use a different method. The only way I've gotten that link to show up is if I try with a password. So if I come here and I log into my account with my password like this, I click login, then I get this link that says use a different verification method. If I use the passwordless login, it doesn't give me that link. So I don't know if there's an issue on the Salesforce side, but it doesn't give you a choice. But now I can choose between which method I want to use. Of course, this is not going to be approved for much longer, but I can choose if I want to use my built-in authenticator. This is my YubiKey, so I will choose my built-in authenticator. I will click verify. I will enter my Windows Hello PIN. And then it allows me to log in. So the Windows Hello setup is pretty easy too. Now, if you needed to disconnect a built-in authenticator for a user, you would just go to the user record, or the user could go to their settings, either one, go to the advanced user details, scroll down to the built-in authenticators right here, and you can just click delete. If you wanted to edit the name of the built-in authenticator, you could also do that. You just click edit and it's like changing the name of a normal record. Now you also have the ability to view the verification history here. So we'll take you there and show you what that looks like. We'll go to identity verification history. And you'll be able to see that I have established a login via a built-in authenticator. Here's where I logged in using my YubiKeys down here. Salesforce is allowing you to track which methods your users have set up, so you'll have complete visibility into which users have authenticated by which method. And that is everything we wanted to show you about connecting Windows Hello to Salesforce. Good luck with your implementations, and hope you enjoy the passwordless logins using the security keys and built-in authenticators like I do. That's it. That's a wrap. Be sure to subscribe to Blue Tiger Academy so you don't miss our next video on how to set up the User Access and Permissions Assistant. This app lets you easily see which users have access to certain permissions across their profiles and permission sets in one view. We will show you how to complete the setup from start to finish. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or if you'd like to see a video on a different Salesforce topic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.